Welcome you back to this other session of ours. Now we have looked at the effect of carbon dioxide. Now today we are going to look at the concentration of the effect of concentration of what? Chlorophyll, or chlorophyll what? Concentration. Now we talk about chlorophyll concentration. The concentration of chlorophyll affects the rate of reaction as they absorb the light energy, without which the reactions cannot proceed. So without chlorophyll, the absorption of light energy cannot proceed. Then in that aspect, we are going to look at two: chlorophyll concentration and temperature. So we all know that the optimum temperature ranging about 25 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius is required. So at temperatures around 0 degrees, the enzymes stop working, and at very high temperatures, the enzymes are denatured. So when the temperatures are very low, enzymes are inactivated, and when the temperatures are very high, enzymes are denatured. So I want us to look at this. I want us to look at this graph properly. Sorry. Yeah. I want us to look at this graph. Yeah, that one. So when we look at that graph, we have what we call temperature down here, and we have photosynthetic or the rate of photosynthesis in arbitrary units. That one has refused, but it is okay. Yeah, we have temperature, the way you see there on the horizontal axis. We have got temperature in degrees Celsius. Then on the vertical, we have rate of photosynthesis in arbitrary. So I want you to listen to some of the observations. So we are seeing that below 10 degrees Celsius, you can look between 0 to 10 degrees Celsius, C3 plant, or the C3 rate of photosynthesis is higher than the C4 rate. Below or of about 0 to 10 degrees Celsius, we are saying that the rate of photosynthesis is higher than, in C3 is higher than in C4 in C4 plants. Yeah, the reason for that is that C4, in C4 plants, the photosynthetic enzymes are less active in the cold, or they are inactive in the cold temperatures, but becomes more active as temperature increases. That has been our first observation and the explanation. So the observation too, we can say that the maximum rate of photosynthesis in C4 is much higher than in C3. You can observe that. Reason being that the optimum temperature for enzymes involved in C4 cycle is higher than in C3 cycle. So another observation we can look at there is that at about 45, look at that temperature at about 45 degrees Celsius, the rate of photosynthesis decreases. At above 45 degrees Celsius, the rate of photosynthesis decreases. Why? This is because the enzymes controlling photosynthesis are denatured. Remember, photosynthesis is an enzyme controlled reaction. So above 45, these enzymes are being denatured, or the three-dimensional structure of an enzyme is being distorted. Thus, there will be no further reaction. Then observation 4, we can say that there is an initial increase in photosynthetic rate to a maximum of about 40 to 42 degrees in spite of further increase in what? In the temperature. Explanation being that light intensity now becomes a limiting factor in each of the three factors. Then our last observation about this is that there is an increase in the rate of photosynthesis with the increase in what? In temperature until or up to the what? Up to about 40 degrees Celsius. I want you to remember that at this temperature, so the increase in temperature activates enzymes. Then above the level or beyond the increase in temperature, this results into these enzymes being what? Being denatured. So that has been our lesson for now. Allow me end here. Yeah, this is what I've been talking about. The observations, they are very clear there, and the what? The explanations. This is what I've been talking about, and they are very clear there. So you have water as another factor. So in response to drying, leaves close their stomata to conserve water being lost as water vapor through them. Then pollution, we can look at this. Pollution also affects what? Photosynthesis, in that this should blocks the stomata and reduces the transparency of the what? Of the leaves, which reduces photosynthesis. So allow me end here. I wish you the best. I sign out. So our next episode, we are going to look at light intensity and the compensation point. So this is our last thing we are going to look at about what? About autotrophic nutrition. I sign out. So please, before I sign out, I want you to write the what? To comment. So if you have any question, anything you want me to clear, you put it what? You put it in the comment section. I wish you the best, and I sign out.